So here at Heavenly, California, it's unfortunately on wind hold for the rest of the day. As you can see behind me, a lot of clouds up on top of the mountain, and you probably can't hear right now, but there's also a lot of wind. So the gondola, the one lift that's normally open to the base area, as it seems to be called, is not running, so we can't get to where we need to be for most of the pictures. But we'll do the best we can. Here's the location. It's actually, even with these clouds, it's really beautiful here. It's a bummer we don't get to ski it. It looks like a great, great area, but I guess that's motivation to come back.